Hi everyone, so today is a very special day. Today we're going to plant in the terrarium some cool and rare tropical plants. Let's check them out. Alright, I have one last plant to show you, but before that, let's see how can we plant the moss in the background of this layout. Last but not least, one of my favorite plants, it's gonna look awesome on the terrarium. So the planting is done, and if you'd like to see how they will grow, subscribe the channel and I'll release another video in a couple months. Thank you.